The date of counseling for Tura. This is to inform all candidates who have cleared entrance test for 2-year diploma in elementary education (DLED) that they are to appear for counseling in the office of the principal Tura. Tura will have to go to Tura in the dates and time mentioned below. Again, their serial number. You have to remember from the list which serial number you are, then you have to go as per your serial number. Center code 800 for West Garo Hill, Tura. The date is 16 June. 16 June is from serial number 1 to 41. This is serial number, not roll number. Remember that. And 17 June is from serial number 42 to 82, and 20 June is from serial number 83 to 123, and on 21st June from serial number 124 to 158. Time is 10:30 onward. And for center code 900 Southwest Garo Hill, so the same Tura. Date 21st June, serial number 1 to 6, and 22nd June, serial number 7 to 47. Time is 10:30 onward, same. And date for those candidates failing to appear in the above mentioned date. If anyone failing to appear, so they can come on this date, 23rd June and 24th of June, 10:30 onward. If they cannot appear on this date from 16 to 22, then they can appear on 23rd and 24th June. They have given this date to attend for the counseling. That's all. Thank you.